Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
I like that, y'all. I like that, y'all. I like that, y'all.
Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Hey there, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Hey there, crypto friends, how are we doing out there? It is Monday, and we are live, July 26th, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Let's have a look at the charts. Big day for crypto, as you know. Got all the way up to the 41. Did we get there? No, not quite to the 41K, but almost got up there. So let's have a look at the charts. Support is down there at the 36,751.40. RSI coming back into the comfort zone so we can start to look for some more upside potential. And then we're looking up at resistance at the 38,762.14. So BTC USD up 6.10%. Let's have a look at Ethereum ETH USD. Ethereum looking really strong up here. Let's move our support level down just in a hair here. There we go. And actually, let's go to the 1 hour time frame, and we'll split that up for you. And yep, there we go. Flip back over to the 4 hour time frame, and there we are. 2204.17 is our support level that we are watching out for as the RSI starts to calm down a little bit. As you know, we need to cool down. Once we get with our RSI is overbought or oversold, there is a chill period, and that's what we're looking for. And I also want to show you, I did introduce this orange line. So basically what we have here is the 12-day moving average, 26-day moving average, the blue, 50-day moving average, and orange, and 100-day moving average is a 100-day. There you go. So let's roll on to BNB USD. It's up 1%, and we are looking at, let's see, did we get through the stop loss? Yes, we did. But we did get up here to the sell target, exited. Not at the top. Don't ever worry about nailing the top. It's not a big deal. Just get up in that vicinity there, take your profit, and wait for another day. And so we're looking now at support. Dropping down here, we have to go all the way down to 298.838. And we're still up there at the 320.61. And we're still above that 100-day moving average, so looking really strong here for BNB USD. Let's have a look at ADA USDS Cardano. We'll adjust now and may need to split this. Imagine we are going to be right in there. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Look for our support. Yeah, right now we're sitting on that support level on the 1 hour time frame. Let's do this right here. 1.26680 is support. We'll stick her right there. And let's get the stop loss adjusted now. Down below that prior low. And then let's get resistance to where it belongs. 1, 2, 3. So we got a triple top up there. So watch out for 1.337 is your bogey up there on the resistance if you're trading intraday. And so tight range there. Let's move on to DOT USD. That's PolkaDot. Got through there. Got through the stop loss. Same scenario here. We're getting just beneath that 12-day moving average. We could not hold that. So let's switch over to the 1 hour, take a peek in. There we are. just beneath the 100-day moving average. On the 1 hour time frame, 13.962 is the support level, and resistance very close by. As you see, this indecision candle, also known as a doji, and that's 14.302. RSI, dead center. Well, not almost dead center, but getting close. And we'll move that. I tell you what, let's get that stop loss where it belongs here, folks. Just beneath that low on that 100-day moving average. Moving on to Doge, D-O-G-E USD. You know what it is. It's the Doge. Got through that stop loss, stopped out really quick, but we had already exited because we were in our sell target. That's okay. So now we're going to have to go into, I would imagine, right here somewhere on the 1 hour time frame. Pretty close guess. So let's look here at the 0.2002 support. Resistance now at the, looks like we have a double top. So there's a seller sitting up there and wants to sell at 0.2073. On to Litecoin, LTC, USD. We'll stick on this 1 hour time frame because we're going to have to drill down here as we are getting support off that 100-day moving average. You see the bounce. And so let's get you that support level at the 130.18. I'm sorry, words are running out of my mouth too quickly. So we'll set the stop loss just beneath there. And then go up here and have a look at resistance was 132.84. On to LINK USD, that is the chain of links. And let's go to the 4 hour so you can see what we're looking at here. We're starting into a new trade idea here, or trading plan. We did get up to the sell point, so we're expect to go back down here somewhere between the 0.50 and the 0.68 Fibonacci. And let's go ahead and get you those support levels there. And it's going to be somewhere in between there. So we might as well stick on that 1 hour time frame. There it is. 18.038, so roughly the $18 round number. That's what we like. And 18.82053. As you can see here, we have the 12, the 26, the 50, and the 100-day moving average all fanned out in right perfect order for upside potential. What you don't want to see is the inverse of that if you're a bull. On to XLM USD, that's stellar. It's down 0.51%. So taking a hit here is the paper hands fold up, let it go. Yep, there we are. We're hitting right on that Fibonacci line. So we're at 0.259307 support. And let's have a look at resistance. There it is, very close by, 0.26225. On the Vechain, VET USD up 7.04%. And we're going to stay right here on the 1 hour time frame. It's kind of rare that we do this, but on these upticks, we have to get dialed in here for you, folks. So we're sitting here at support at the 0.07769, up above that 50-day moving average you see down here below. That's the 100-day. Fell through the 26 and the 12. Let's get that old stop loss out of there. We'll park him right beneath that 50-day moving average. And jump up here and grab our resistance level. We'll have to zoom out to do that, to make that happen. There we go. Get her on down there. There we go. Very tight range. 0.08013 for Vechain. And on to FIL USD. That's the file of coins. So we're looking down now. Didn't get all the way down to that 100-day moving average, which is a good sign, but which would have been better if we just bounced right off of there. So we're going to have to retest that at some point. So we got support down there at the 48.788 and resistance. I'm sorry, that was a 100-day, and then just underneath that 50-day moving average on this high right here. Let's go ahead and get that dialed in there. Zoom in. Thank you for reminding me. 49.545. On to STORJ USD up 1.41%. Dropped down there, got up there, like I said, folded up like a lawn chair. Those paper hands, the new folks trying to get used to cryptocurrency. But we know what happens. So we're looking at support at the 0.8365. And watch out for resistance first to come into play on this 50-day moving average. So we poked above there. And the next bogey is going to be your 0.859127. And if we can keep on running, we'll get up there to that 26-day moving average. And moving on to IOTA, that's Internet of Things. And very simple, we go down here to that low. 0.75143 is your support. And looky right there. Resistance very close by, 0.77297. RSI in good shape, and volume is way down. So we're low volume at this point in time in the evening. So let's go on to comp USD at COMP. And we are holding that support level right there on that low. So we're looking at 391.629, which is back in our buy target. Keep that in mind. Just watch out for that higher low on the climb back up, and resistance now at the 398.431. On to BAT USD, that's the basic attention coin. It's the teenager, always needs attention. And we're kind of holding on to that support level right there on that low of 0.5489. We'll have to get that stop loss back down. We'll put it just beneath that 100-day moving average. And if you want to, you can get it really close up there, because we do have some distance going down. And then resistance now going to be 0.5585. On to ETC USD. You know, that's my favorite. Ethereum Classic. And we got all the way down. Nice bounce off that 100-day moving average. I can't say it a million times. That's why we use these moving averages. You can see if you back test them, that means that you go back in time and you just watch how they respond to these particular moving averages. So that leaves us with support at 47.573, and let's get that resistance down there. We didn't get through the 49.376, so that's what we're going to be trying to push through, bulls. Is we're early in this candle anyway, but yeah, volume's still lightening up. On to MANA USDC. That is Mana. So Mana, big bounce. Let's say big. Nice touch. 1, 2, 3. And we won't count the wicks. Sometimes we just kind of overshoot those kind of things. 0.6826 for support. And resistance, now look at that 0.6922. A 5-0. On to ZIL USD. Still got that dude on the watch list. It's still doing okay. And let's get you a support level. Look at that. Wait, before I put this down here, this yellow dotted line is a previous close. So you see 1, 2, almost 3. So that's a really strong support level, folks. So watch out for these technical traders. They're going to bounce off of that and probably jump on that. So we have indecision, indecision, these two spinning top dojis. Good bounce attempt. Stop in the wrong place, so we'll move that back there. So look at the support. Okay, yeah, I'll shut up. I'm sorry. 0.0744. I know you guys want it all in 15 minutes or less, so I'm trying to get through there. But there we are. Resistance 0.07667. On to NU USD. Up 0.29% for the day. And support right there. So let's see. Oh, we lost that support level, so we'll jump down here. 0.2035. Support and resistance now going to be just above that 50-day moving average if we can push through there. 0.2070. On to NMR. Not getting the love for today, but it can always happen, right? So we're looking down here at the 33.50 round, nice round number there. And then lots of these moving averages to get through and previous lows. So we're looking at the, I should say previous high, 34.151. The graph token GRT USD. Dropping down there, and yeah, we got that low, 0.5460. Stop loss just beneath there, and then let's get the resistance level now. 0.5651. On to Uniswap, up 2.28%. So we're looking at support at the 18.5657. Let's grab that resistance now at the very close by, 18.792. RSI in good shape, volume trailing off, so watch for the volume to kick back in as we move on to AAVE USD. Look at that, double bottom above the 100-day moving average. Or is that the, yep, it's hard to see. So we're looking at 304.1426 support. Extremely close by here. 309.413. On to MKR USD up 1.62%. Well, let's adjust that, dude. Just beneath that moving average there, so we're at 2605.35. And resistance now at the 2633.04. On to MATIC, up 10%. Nice day, or 9.5, I should say. You know me, glass is half full. We're thinking positive here, so we're up 1.036 resistance. And where should we grab that support level? Right there, just on the wick, on, I think it's an overshot right at the $1 mark, so 1.0233. On to SOL USD. It's hanging in there. Support 28.1952. Resistance very close by. We got some moving averages to get through. 28.6163. Let's roll on to audio. Audio is big run up, so now it's a big run down on the old escalator down. So let's do that. Let's get you Right there, look at that double bottom. Nice, pretty double bottom. 1.1247. And get that resistance really close by. 1, 2, 3. 1.145. So we're watching this audio. On to CHZ USD. At least that stop loss held up. There we go. Well, let's get on down there to support. There we are. 0.2467. And let's get resistance. We're still on the 1 hour. Doing the 1 hour time frame today because of such volatility. And let's see, we'll just peek over here to 4 hour time frame. There it is. 0.25301. Looking now at Theta, THETA USD. Don't want to move that guy. So we're going to have to zoom out here. Let's go back to the 1 hour. And we can start moving stuff around. Nice bounce right off that 100-day moving average. So let's set our support level. Right now it's at the 5.78. If that fails, we're going to look down to the 5.563. And then we're going to move that. Sorry about that. I got to zoom out for a sec to get that stop loss out of the way. And back in. So tight range, 5.7356. Resistance. On to ENJB USD. And we got to drop down there. We're still hanging on to that previous low right there at the 1.2996. We'll be watching out for that. And then very close resistance there at the 1.3112. And then just look for that. Let's get above that 100-day moving average right there. The thick yellow line just above there. On to Harmony 1, ONE USD. There it is, folks. 0.0731 for Harmony 1. We're dialed in here to the 1 hour time frame. And there it is. There's a 100-day moving average just above us. 0.0749. That's going to be tough to get through. So we'll be watching out for that. Let's go to SHIB USDT. That is Shiba Inu. And let's see here. There we are. 50634 support. 50641 resistance. And hey, we got a new one. ICP USD. So what we did is we did away with that PAXG USDT. And let's get your support level here. Support 40.925. And then we'll do a resistance level. This is all brand new. Template resistance 42.167. One more. We added AMP USD. That's requested by several of you folks out there. Thank you for doing that. And let's have a look. So AMP. We've got a double bottom set back on there. That's pretty nice. We're looking at support at the 0.0658. And then resistance line We're sitting right on that resistance level as we speak. And give me a sec. There we go. 0.0702. AMP is up 12.52%. So a good day for AMP. If you're in there, thank you and congratulations. Let's go on to BTC.D. That's Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, is a lot of fiat is coming off the table into BTC.D. So we're up 2.29%, and Bitcoin dominance is at 48.12. Ethereum 17.93. So we're down 1% there. Doge slightly up at 1.84%, and looky there. Money is coming back into the crypto space, $1,472 billion. Well, folks, that does it for me. I apologize about this morning. Recorded the whole thing and it did not make it through for some reason. So there you go. Have a great evening out there, folks, and be safe, trade well, and we'll see you in the morning at the Crypto Morning Show.